Welcome to our room. We're currently standing on the Viridian glass floor, which leads light into our beautiful basement area.
Overlooked by this stunning artwork, perfectly proportioned. Her name is Amelia.
Lovely artwork. Look at the size of that.
Wow, that's
That's
huge.
art.
It's proportionally correct for the space. That's a really hard space to dress, and
What
they've done
is
it very
this?
I wonder what they're going to put down there to want a glass floor to see down there.
Don't know.
It's good. It's very unique though.
Yeah,
It's scary.
it's scary.
It's scary.
A little bit scary.
Leading onto our hallway to the bedrooms, we've got a gallery-style artwork, a peaceful, tranquil scene to bring peace as you go to the bedrooms.
George, there's no door separating the bedrooms to the living, dining and kitchen.
well. We know from having families that kids are loud, and what do I always say to you in the morning?
Close the door.
Close the door.
And then welcome to our amazing laundry, fully functional, but beautifully designed. You've got washer, you've got dryer, and actually this is the right way to open the washer to go, Mitchie, from...
Soaking clothes into the washing machine.
This is what the oh
Oh yes, I
Yes.
see. But they were saying just take it out here and put it in there. Not sure.
Everything works and it's functional. Heaps of storage in the linen press too. What more could you want?